Have you ever wondered what the sharpest material on Earth is? This is a question that might surprise you because the answer isn't a man-made material at all. It's obsidian. Obsidian isn't just a cool word. It's a naturally occurring volcanic glass that has been used by humans for millennia, from the Stone Age to the present day. But what makes obsidian so special? Well, it can be fashioned into blades that are sharper than the finest steel. Picture this. A blade of obsidian, chipped and shaped by skilled hands, can reach a level of sharpness that is, quite literally, cutting edge. Under a microscope, the edge of an obsidian blade is smooth and continuous, unlike any other material we know. Now compare this to a steel blade. Even with our most advanced technology, the sharpest steel knife, when viewed under a microscope, appears jagged and rough. It's like comparing a mountain range to a smooth highway. The difference is stark and undeniable. But why does this matter? Well, the microscopic smoothness of obsidian means it can cut at a level so minute it's beyond what the naked eye can see. This precision can be incredibly useful in certain situations. In fact, obsidian blades are used in specific medical procedures, where the unparalleled sharpness of the blade allows for cuts that are less damaging to tissue, leading to quicker healing and less scarring. Isn't it fascinating that a natural material formed in the heart of a volcano can outperform our best man-made materials? It's a humbling reminder of nature's power and ingenuity. Obsidian, this seemingly simple volcanic glass, holds a power unseen to the naked eye but evident under the lens of science. It's a testament to the marvels of the natural world that surround us, often unnoticed in our daily lives. So next time you think about sharp objects, remember obsidian. It cuts at a level so minute it's beyond what the naked eye can see. What if I told you it rains diamonds somewhere in our solar system? Quite an opening line, isn't it? But it's not a figment of science fiction, it's science fact. Welcome to the captivating world of Neptune, the 8th and farthest known planet from the Sun in our solar system. Neptune, a gas giant, is a mysterious, far-off world with extreme weather conditions. Its atmospheric pressure is over 1,000 times greater than Earth's, and it's this high-pressure environment that sets the stage for a phenomenon as strange as it is beautiful: diamond rain. You see, Neptune's atmosphere is abundant in methane, a molecule that contains carbon. When methane gets caught in the deep, high-pressure atmosphere of Neptune, the intense pressure and heat squeeze these carbon atoms so tightly that they transform into diamond structures. It's kind of like the process of how diamonds are formed here on Earth, but on a much larger and faster scale. Imagine it, droplets of solid diamond glittering like a billion tiny stars descending through the thick blue clouds of Neptune. From our perspective, it's a shower of invaluable gems. But to Neptune, it's just another day of weather. And as these diamonds form and fall, they sink into the planet's interior, creating reservoirs of diamond. A sparkling, glittering treasure trove buried deep within the heart of a distant planet. This diamond rain isn't just a spectacle to marvel at, though. It also holds clues to understanding the mysterious interior of Neptune and other gas giants. By studying this phenomenon, scientists can gain insights into these planets' internal structures and the extreme conditions within them. So, while we dream of diamond showers here on Earth, Neptune quietly sparkles with its diamond rain. A reminder that our universe is full of wonders that go beyond our wildest imaginations, begging us to keep exploring and learning. Because who knows, maybe one day, we'll witness this diamond rain with our own eyes. Could immortality exist in our world? It seems like a question reserved for fairy tales and science fiction, doesn't it? But believe it or not, there's one creature on Earth that comes pretty close to this fantastical concept. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, a species of jellyfish that has seemingly discovered the fountain of youth. Turritopsis dohrnii, often referred to as the Immortal Jellyfish, has a fascinating trick up its sleeve. Unlike most organisms which age and eventually die, this jellyfish has the unique ability to revert its cells back to their earliest form and grow anew. It's a process akin to a butterfly turning back into a caterpillar or a frog becoming a tadpole again. Imagine if you could turn back the clock and become a child once more. When the jellyfish is stressed or physically harmed, it begins this cellular transformation. Its tentacles retract, its body shrinks, and it sinks to the ocean floor to start its life cycle anew. It's a biological reset button, if you will, but here's the catch. This transformation isn't just about healing wounds or escaping danger. Each time the jellyfish reverts, it's as if it's born again. It doesn't age, doesn't weaken. Instead, it starts over, fresh and young, ready to live another day, another month, another year. This process is called transdifferentiation, and it's a phenomenon that's puzzled and fascinated scientists. If we could understand how the immortal jellyfish accomplishes this feat, we might unlock new possibilities in human medicine. Perhaps we could develop treatments for aging-related diseases, or even find ways to prolong human life. But for now, the secrets of immortality remain with Turritopsis dohrnii, silently drifting through our oceans, living its endless cycle of life, death, and rebirth. It's a humble reminder of nature's incredible adaptability and the mysteries that still wait to be unraveled in the deep blue sea. In the quest for eternal life, perhaps we should look no further than the humble jellyfish, silently drifting through our oceans. Is the speed of light always the same? A question that may seem a little absurd at first. After all, we're taught that the speed of light is the ultimate speed limit of the universe, clocking in at a whopping 186,000 miles per second. But as it turns out, this isn't always the case. In the vast emptiness of space, yes, light does travel at this unfathomable speed. But when it comes into contact with different materials, things start to get interesting. You see, light doesn't always maintain its top speed when it has to pass through a medium other than the vacuum of space. This is something we experience every day, although we might not realize it. When light passes through water, for example, it slows down. That's why a straw appears bent when you look at it in a glass of water. This phenomenon, known as refraction, is due to the change in the speed of light as it moves from air to water. But can we slow light down even more? Well, scientists have done just that. Through a series of fascinating experiments, researchers have managed to slow light to a speed of just 38 miles per hour. How did they do it? By passing light through special materials known as Bose-Einstein condensates, which are incredibly cold and dense. In these extreme conditions, light slows down dramatically, moving at speeds that we'd consider slow even for a car on a highway. It's a mind-boggling thought. Light, the fastest thing in the universe, crawling along at the speed of a bicycle. But remember, this doesn't mean we can break the universal speed limit. Even in these experiments, nothing is moving faster than light. It's just that light itself is moving more slowly. So, next time you hear about the constant speed of light, remember, even this universal speed limit has its exceptions. So, what can we take away from all these fascinating facts? We've embarked on a journey through the intriguing world of science, unearthing wonders that lie far beyond the realms of our everyday lives. Each of these facts, from the razor-like precision of obsidian blades to the celestial showers of diamond rain on Neptune, reveals the boundless marvels of the cosmos, the Earth, and even the microscopic world. Let's revisit the obsidian blades, fashioned by our ancestors thousands of years ago. Despite their primitive origins, they surpass modern surgical steel in sharpness, displaying a cutting edge only 3 nanometers wide. This is a testament to the untapped potential of nature and the resourcefulness of early humans. It's a sharp reminder that we have much to learn from our past. Then we ventured beyond the confines of our planet, to Neptune, where it rains diamonds. Yes, you heard that right. The extreme pressure and temperature conditions on this distant planet transform methane into sparkling gemstones, which then rain down in the planet's interior. It's a stark reminder of the alien wonders that exist beyond our earthly sphere. We also dove deep into the ocean to meet a seemingly immortal creature, the Turritopsis dohrnii. This jellyfish has the extraordinary ability to revert its cells back to their earliest form, effectively starting its life cycle anew. A glimpse into the realm of immortality, right here on Earth. And let's not forget the speed of light, once thought to be an unchanging constant in our universe, now known to be variable under certain conditions. It's a mind-bending fact that challenges our understanding of the fundamental laws of physics. Remember, our universe is full of wonders, and each day presents a new opportunity to learn something extraordinary. After all, who knows? Tomorrow you might just discover the next big science fact that will leave us all amazed.